So I've got not one, not two, but three Rolex Daytonas I'm going to talk about. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. I'm Jonathan, and yes, I've got three Rolex Daytonas. Not just any Rolex Daytonas. These are my favorites of the two-tones. I'm not usually a big fan of the two-tone kind of look. I feel like it's, old world, kind of generic. It just doesn't scream, relevancy. The Rolex Daytona just jumps out at me for whatever reason. And I find that, the two tones kind of just fit with everything for the Rolex Daytona. Mainly because they come out with so many different dial variations. And I've got three different dial variations of the ones, it's 116503. So this came out around 2016, I believe. And I did some digging and found a few very interesting things that basically I thought was like only something that was going on pretty much in the last couple of years. One of which is that all three of them have, I believe it's the caliber 4130, and it's got 72 hours of power reserve from 2016, which makes me just kind of turn my head and be like, what have I been doing with all of my research with watches? I thought that 72 hours was like pretty much from like 2019 forward kind of thing. Anyways, so alongside with that, it's really cool with the movement for the 4130 is that they came out with, in 2015, I believe, the blue parachrome hairspring, which around 2005, they put the parachrome hairspring in the Daytona to help with the longevity of the movement, and lots of use over time is just going to be more reliable for you. The blue parachrome hairspring amplifies that, which is just a beautiful thing that you're honestly not going to be able to enjoy because of the closed case back. Anyways, I've got a beautiful black dial, a champagne dial, and a beautiful silver dial that's just I don't know what to say because they're just different. And all three of them have box and papers. And I believe we just got all three of these in all at once, which is really rare for us to do because usually we only get like, stainless steel or yellow gold or, whatever it may be. And it's just one of one. We got all three of these all together. So what I'd like you to do is give me a call. I'd love to be able to talk to you about either one of these or all three of these. So give me a call or go to SwissWatchExpo.com and do what you need to do to get one of these on your wrist.